Guys, this is Misha here with AHH Designs. I'm getting ready to start waterproofing my shower, but first I gotta deal with the seat that's gonna go in here and consider the shelves. I just want to talk to you guys about those. In regards to the seat, we have 1.25 inch granite piece that we're going to be using in here. And it's going to have matching shelves, and it's going to have a matching transition to go over the curb. So when dealing with this, I've seen other people just start laying your tile, and then the seat would go right on one of the seams of the tile, and then you just cut around it. I don't really feel comfortable doing that because I put so much stress on the tile, especially if a heavier set person like myself would sit on it. So what I do is I notch out the cement board, and then I patch up the little holes, and then I waterproof all around it just to make it watertight. This way it's sitting on the cement board and it's sitting on the tile. So once I tile and grout it, it's going to go there. There's just a sample tile here. We're going to use pebbles on the ground, but for now I just need the spacer here. Just want to talk to you guys about the height that I use. So the bottom of that is about 18 inches. The top is 19. So it's a little bit taller than your toilet. And that's kind of where you want to be. You don't want to go too low, especially because it's in the shower. But you don't want to go too high where it's uncomfortable to sit on it, where legs are dangling off. So we're going to cut this out, and we're going to put this piece of stone in there. And I just use a Dremel to cut out my cement board. And let me show you the level, how the level works here. So my level is just a little bit off. You don't have to go too crazy with it because it is a super smooth surface, and just about any type of pitch on it will work, because just water will run right off and you don't have to worry about water getting caught in grout lines and all that. But I do want to make sure that it's sloped out, and I have that on both sides. Let me show you this side. As you can see that. Alright, I'll show you guys how that looks. I got it cut out on both sides. I shimmed it up just to kind of, my level dropped a little too much, more than I wanted to. So I shimmed it up, and as you guys can see, slightly off level to the left, which is what I want. Same thing over here, slightly off level. And obviously down the middle, slightly off level. And that's exactly what we want. So I'm gonna, with the shelves, I'm not gonna do that same process with the shelves. With the shelves, I will just go find a good seam where the tile goes, and I'll put one there and one right there for the two shelves. There's not a lot of weight that's going to be on it. Your shampoos don't weigh 50 pounds. But this, I want to make sure that this is sturdy and that there's no shot that this falls off. So I wanted to notch that in. Okay, now I'm going to patch up these seams with mortar, not compound, but I'll actually get some thin set, and I'll mix that in and try to get into all those cracks. And then we're going to waterproof this with Red Guard and kind of get all around there to make sure there's no penetrations there. All right.